Now let's look at question number 2 for physics, WAEC past question for 2018. The general definition of elastic modulus is A. Stress over strain, B. Strain over stress, C. Stress times strain, D. Square root of stress over strain. So what is the answer to this problem? For us to understand this problem, we need to understand the simple statement of Hooke's law. So we're going to look at Hooke's law, which states that stress is proportional to strain, provided elastic limit is not exceeded. That's the statement of the Hooke's law, that stress, if you want to put it mathematically, you say stress is what? Proportional. Stress is proportional to strain. And once you have such mathematical representation, you can introduce a constant. So introducing the constant of proportionality, very important. If you want to change your proportional sign into equal to sign, you must introduce the constant of proportionality, and this constant for this case is known as Young's modulus of elasticity. That's the name of the constant that we are going to be using in this case. So if you introduce it, you can now say that stress is equal to constant, which is Young's modulus of elasticity, times strain. That's what you have. So making y the subject, you can now have that y, Young's modulus, is equal to cross multiply, so you have stress over strain, and that is the elastic modulus. So the right answer is A, which is what? Stress over strain, and that is the statement of Hooke's law. So in essence, y, which is elastic modulus, is equal to stress over strain. Very important. So you can be using this to solve some problems. And we also know that stress is simply equal to force over area, and we know that strain is equals to the extension all over the original length. So with this problem, with this equation, you can solve a whole lot of problem using the elastic modulus, stress and strain. So this expression is the same thing as saying force over area all over the increase in length, which I will call here extension, all over the original length. So that is the statement of Hooke's law explained more, where the elastic modulus is equal to stress over strain, because both of them are proportional. So that is the answer. Thank you.